everybody, I'm going to quickly show you how to save documents to your U drive. On my screen here, you notice that it says District Drive. As long as you are logged in as yourself, this should pop up on any district computer, and this will lead to your personal cloud drive or the external hard drive someplace else, but it saves it so that you can access it any computer, any district computer that you are logged into. So I have a document here, and I'm going to show you how to save this beautiful face here to the U drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click File, and I'm going to click Save As. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this PC. And easy enough, it should pop up U drive. But if it doesn't, if you don't see it, double click on it. Alright, and this will pop up this screen here, and you can scroll up and down, and the one you're looking for is your Lawson, and some code afterwards, but if you see at the end it says U, and that is what you want to save, is to this one. I already saved it as smiley face, so I'll just save it again. Do I want to place? Sure. And then if I go over to my U drive here, if I open it up, you're going to see that smiley face is right there. So then you can access it. And you notice that I have a lot of stuff on my desktop. That's probably where I'm going to consolidate all this into my U drive. All right, there you go.